Today we are going to learn about pre-maths concept. So let us learn what is pre-maths concept. Pre-maths are math skills learned by preschoolers and kindergarten students, including learning to count numbers usually from 1 to 10, but occasionally including 0. Learning the proper sequencing of numbers, learning to determine which shape are bigger or smaller, and learning to count objects on a screen or book. Pre-math skills are also tied into literacy skill to learn the correct pronunciation of numbers. So today's topic we have chosen for pre-maths concept is opposites, that we have weight and can be seen with our naked eyes. So today we are going to learn about big and small, tall and short, fat and thin, heavy and light, full and empty. So first we are going to learn about big and small. Big means someone or something that is large in stature, whereas small means any part of something that is smaller or slimmer than the rest. So in this first picture we can see the lion is big and the mouse is small. In the second picture we can see a watermelon is big and the apple is small. So they are of different shapes and different sizes. The second is tall and short. Short is when something measures a small distance from end to end, and tall is when something has a greater height. Oh, the green color guy is tall and the yellow color guy is short. Over here, the giraffe has a tall neck, so the giraffe is tall, and the deer, they are short. Fat, thin. Fat things have an excess of body fat. Thin objects or things have a noticeable small amount of body fat. So you can see the difference over here. This man over here who has a big belly is fat, and the one slimmer is thin. And over here, the one who is holding a lollipop is fat, and the other is thin. Heavy, light. Heavy means having great weight, whereas light means having light weight. So over here, the mouse is carrying a cheese. The two cheese are of two different weights. One is light and the other is heavy. See the stones. The stones are always heavy, and the feather, they are light in weight. Now we are going to learn about full, empty. Empty means that there is nothing inside a container. The word full means that the container has no more space inside. So in the first week, we have two buckets. In the first bucket, it is full of sand, and in the second bucket, the sand is not present, so it is empty. See in the second picture, the glass is full of water and the other glass is empty, means nothing is inside that water. So this is the end of the concept. So if you like my channel, please do like, share